Okay, cool. So can you, and we do, I know that in the collective we do a lot of work on this, but I want to kind of like hear it again, I guess, like in a different way. But can you help me shift out of the old paradigm of working hard and efforting and into the thrill of magic, synchronicity, and the unfolding?
So basically old paradigm versus new paradigm, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you think that new paradigm that you just described, that new paradigm way of being, is available to me?
Yes.
Do you think I experience that all the time?
Yes.
Do you think other people, some people do?
Yes.
Do you think those that do just have a horseshoe up their ass, or do you think that that's something that's available to everyone?
I think it's available to everyone. I believe it's available.
Absolutely.
Mhm.
Absolutely. So if it's available to everyone, then it's obviously available to you.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of unlearning what society has taught us about effort and hard work and practicing that alignment muscle, practicing that ability of letting go, practicing being a vibrational creator versus an old paradigm creator of relying on that effort. And the more you experience it, the more you'll see how powerful it is and the more of it you'll let in.
Yeah.
And I think you're
Absolutely.
right, being in the collective and doing the work that you're doing, you're right in the right place for all of that. So just keep it up, especially the clearing work. The clearing work is what leads to the big results more than anything. So you're totally on the right track.
Amazing. Yeah, I feel it. I definitely feel it. And I feel like it's like everything's like Tetris. It's just all like falling into the right blocks at the same time. Since I came across your video on YouTube and then found the collective and then the book and all that kind of stuff, like it's all just kind of like, and then connecting with people in the collective has just been so much fun. And I'm like,
Absolutely. Yeah. And with the
yeah,
collective, like we're hitting the 1 year mark this week. So what you're going to
yeah,
see is you're going to see that momentum of people who've been around for a while. Like you'll notice it's really picking up. Um,
yeah,
so it's really fun to watch.
yeah, that's really cool. Congratulations. That's awesome.
Yeah,
I'm
we're
happy to
still just
hear.
getting started. I got this facilitator training coming out this month, and that's going to just level everything up to a whole new place.
So
So
exciting.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's awesome.
amazing.
Cool,
Woo.
awesome. Well, great set of questions, Iona. Thanks for playing with me.
You're welcome.
All right, bye for now.
Yeah. See you soon.